Taurus, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang iyong monthly reading for October 2024. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see Taurus. What's coming to you October 2024? So you have the first house, which is about yourself. So Pisces, Mercury in Pisces in the first house. Okay, so some of you, Taurus, maaring meron kayong mga bagong endeavor sa buhay, especially your creative talents, your creative skills, na tutuklasin mo sa sarili mo. Magagawa niyo yan sa pamamagitan ng pag-aaral, sa pamamagitan ng pagsubok ng mga pag-try ng mga bagong activities. Yung iba sa inyo, you will be inspired sa mga nakikita nyo sa paligid nyo. Let's say, merong taong kilala ka or nakikita mo sa social media na nag-i-inspire sa'yo para i-improve yung sarili mo or to learn something new. Yung iba naman, this is about you developing yourself pagdating sa communication skills ninyo. Lalo na kung meron kayong gustong paggamitan yan. Example, gusto mong maging English teacher. Kasi sa ngayon, no, yung sa online, no, online English teacher, napaka-in-demand din yan na pwede mong gamitin yon na skill para kumita ng pera online. Kasi, like, example ako, for 5 years, isa akong online English teacher. So, yun naman, sa mga trainings, natutunan ko rin kung paano siya i-develop. So, for some of you, maaring may mga trainings kayo na a-attenan that will develop your communication skills. Depende sa kung saan nyo yan gagamitin. Yung iba, mga bilinguals, no? Let's say, mag-aaral ka ng Spanish, Japanese, Korean, o kung ano-ano pang language that will open up bagong opportunity sa'yo. Malaki yung mga sweldo ng mga yung mga bilinguals. Or yung Spanish na customer service, I don't know, mga ganon. Okay, so you are going to discover your talents, your skills ngayong October. Okay? This will also bring this is going to bring you more confidence. Tapos, mas marami ka rin marirealize sa sarili mo na, uy, ang galing ko pala rito or kaya ko pala to. Yung iba sa mga theater, no? If you want acting or singing, ganyan. Kinship, sea otter. This is about your connections to others. I feel like you will build strong relationships sa mga taong alam mo na going to be very helpful sa'yo or someone na binavalue mo sa buhay. You also have, diba, may sun, moon, union. So, itong close relationships mo with others will also bring opportunities for partnerships. Okay? So, pwedeng mapunta sa romantic connection. O yung iba naman, dahil marami kang connection, pwede silang magkaroon ng opportunity or pwede ka magkaroon ng opportunity to do business with them. Diba? And then you have the skull, which is the death. Death is about transformation, major change in your life. I think itong transformation na to has something to do with mga bagay na babaguhin mo sa sarili mo or i-improve mo sa sarili mo. Ito yung tipong masasabi nila na may nagbago sa'yo. Hindi na ikaw yung dating Taurus na nakilala nila 2 years ago because nakita nila that you have improved yourself. Something like that. No? Let's see what else. Taurus. You have the Queen of Swords. Mas magiging mataas ang inyong ambisyon. You're someone who's very strong, very wise. I think, Taurus, marami kang mga napagdaanan na experiences na nakapagpatibay sa'yo. Okay? And now, yung experiences mo na yan, magagamit mo siya sa mga decisions na gagawin mo para mas maging strategic ka on which path, kung aling landas yung mas makakabuti para sa'yo. You have the King of Wands, so you're very much motivated. Alam mo kung ano yung gusto mong marating, saan mo gustong pumunta, ano yung strength mo. You have the Moon, which is your instinct, your intuition. So, ngayong October, malaking tulong yung malalim na connection mo sa instinct mo. So, kumbaga, alam mo agad if something is not good for you, something or someone is not good for you, or kung makakabuti yun sa'yo. You may feel a bit emotional during this time, lalo na't may mga nagbabago sa situation mo. You might feel overwhelmed by your emotions, but don't forget to ground yourself, no, para magkaroon ka ng realization na okay, this is my emotion, I have to acknowledge it, pero kailangan mo rin talaga siyang i-release. Oo. Yeah, the Ten of Swords. Oh, speaking of release, merong ending dito. You're going to end a situation na for you, na ibigay mo na yung lahat, pero wala pa rin nangyari. Oo. So, example, sa trabaho, career, business, feeling mo na ibigay mo na lahat, pero parang wala pa rin, hindi mo pa rin nakukuha yung resulta na gusto mo. Can also be sa relationship. So, it's like closing a chapter in your life to start something new. Money, career, finances, wow. You have the Chariot. This is victory. This is success. This is progress. Kung meron kang nasimulang negosyo, business, career, ito ay magpapatuloy magpapatuloy sa pag-unlad. Tuloy-tuloy lang siya. Yung iba sa inyo, merong new beginnings, new opportunities for business, for career. And I think, magsisimula yan kapag nakapag-desisyon ka na. Oo. Siyempre, paano ka magkakaroon ng bagong trabaho, business, or career kung hindi ka naman nagde-decide ng, ng pagbabago. 'Di ba? So, it's still up to you. But, the moment na makapag-decide ka at malaman mo kung ano yung gusto mo talaga at nag-take action ka dyan, there is progress. Makikita mo yung pag-unlad ng buhay mo, ng career mo. Sa love life, you have the King of Cups. You may be dealing with a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I feel like if there is someone, kung ikaw ay in a relationship, meron kang person na very supportive sa'yo. Someone na inaalagaan ka talaga. This can be, pwede itong romantic relationship or like family, a friend. But if you're single, possible na merong person sa buhay mo ngayon or by October makikilala mo na magpapahiwatig ng interest sa'yo. This person is someone na mature. Pwedeng mature siya sa age sa'yo or mature siya mag-isip. You have the Sun in Scorpio in the 8th house, endurance. Oo, malakas ka. Kahit na anong challenge ang kaharapin mo or yung pagbabago sa buhay mo, kayang-kaya mong sabayan. You have Mercury and Sun in the 5th house. So, some of you, kung meron kayong anak, tapos medyo malalaki na sila, pwedeng magkaroon ng drama, pwedeng conflict, away, misunderstanding sa family, sa mga anak. Or even sa karelasyon ninyo. You also have Mercury in Libra in the 7th house, influence. Maari kasing meron dito nakikialam sa relationship mo sa iba. Can be sa friends, sa romantic partner. Or itong nakikialam na 'to, someone who is close to you rin na kumbaga meron din siyang say sa buhay mo. So, puwedeng mag-create 'yan ng drama around your situation. Flamingo, nourish your soul and you will survive harsh circumstances. O, 'di ba? Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na meron kayong sapat na lakas, kakayanan para ma-overcome, malagpasan kung ano man 'tong mga pagbabago na mangyayari sa buhay niyo. Kumbaga masasabayan niyo siya. As long as you are really connected to your center. Like, through meditation, naniniwala ka sa kakayanan mo, you believe in uh, your, kumbaga you have this very strong belief system, your faith. Mm-mm. So you will survive anything na harsh circumstances. So that is your reading, Taurus. Thank you so much. Bye.